Welcome, today in front of me Vivo X80 Pro, and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first we should get the Ampere application from the Play Store. That's why let's launch the Play Store application. And now here in the search pool we should enter Ampere. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a second while the application downloading on your device. After that, just tap here to open, click yes I agree, pick close, tap to OK, and now we can see here the section with the health of our device battery. In my case, that's good. And also we can find here more information like the battery level, just temperature, capacity, voltage, device model, Android version, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.